Hey guys, in this video, I will give you a detailed review of Pocket Matix trading bot and we will find out whether it's a good choice for your trading needs or not. Alright, let's begin. In today's world of modern trading, automation is quickly becoming a favorite choice for both new and experienced traders. Pocketmatics has stepped into this space by offering an automated trading bot solution that claims to simplify the trading process while also maximizing profits. But before jumping into any trading platform, it's important to analyze its features, advantages, potential risks, and overall reliability. So in this review, we are going to break everything down to help you decide whether Pocketmatics is a good choice for you. So the first thing that you want to know is what Pocketmatics actually is. Pocketmatics is a trading application that utilizes smart AI-powered bots to automate your trading activities. The platform is designed to handle the entire trading process automatically by scanning market conditions, applying advanced algorithms, and executing trades based on predefined strategies. For those who are new to trading or who want to avoid constantly monitoring the markets, Pocketmatics offers a hands-free approach that can still deliver consistent results if used properly. Over here, you will find that the user interface of Pocketmatics is simple, intuitive, and beginner-friendly. After downloading and installing the app, you are greeted with a clean dashboard where you can easily navigate between various features. Setting up your account is straightforward. You only need to enter your email address, create a secure password, and your account is ready to go. There are no complicated verification steps initially, which makes onboarding very smooth for new users. One of the standout features of Pocketmatics is its demo account. Over here, once you sign up, you are provided with a demo balance of $50,000 virtual funds. This is an excellent feature, especially for beginners, as it allows you to test the platform, practice different strategies, and get comfortable with the trading bots before risking real money. Many platforms don't offer such a generous demo account, and this definitely gives Pocketmatics an edge for educational purposes. After that, once you feel comfortable and ready to trade with real money, you can move on to depositing funds into your live trading account. Over here, Pocketmatics offers multiple deposit methods that include cards, wallets, and bank transfers. The minimum deposit amount at the time of this review is around $1,000, which may seem a bit high for absolute beginners, but is quite standard for serious trading platforms. When it comes to assets, Pocketmatics offers a wide variety. You can trade across multiple markets including forex, stocks, cryptocurrencies, and commodities. For example, you can trade popular stocks such as Apple, Amazon, Netflix, and many others. Over here, you simply select the asset you are interested in, open its live trading chart, and either trade manually or allow the bot to take over based on your set preferences. Now, let's talk about the core part of Pocketmatics, the trading bots. Over here, these AI-powered bots are designed to analyze market data, identify patterns, and execute trades automatically. You can configure your bot by choosing trade size, time frame, and risk level. One of the popular setups allows you to place trades starting from $10 per position with a 1-minute trade duration. You can also monitor the bot's performance in real time and make adjustments whenever necessary. Then, an interesting feature is the system's ability to show winning probability percentages for every trade setup. Over here, if the system indicates an 80% chance of success for a particular trade, it helps you make more informed decisions. However, it is extremely important to remember that these percentages are not guarantees but are based on the algorithm's analysis of current market conditions. After that, you will find an excellent profit management system built into the platform. You can view your current balance, open positions, profit and loss history, and overall trading performance all in one place. This transparency helps traders stay organized and understand how well their strategies are working over time. Let's now discuss the customer support offered by Pocketmatics. Over here, users have access to live chat support within the app, allowing for quick assistance whenever needed. Whether it's a technical issue, deposit inquiry, or general question, the support team appears responsive and helpful. For a trading platform, having reliable support is critical because market conditions change rapidly and you may sometimes need immediate help. Security is another major consideration when choosing any trading platform. Over here, Pocketmatics employs industry standard encryption protocols to protect user data and funds. The platform also offers secure payment gateways for deposits and withdrawals. However, as with any online platform, users should also apply personal safety measures such as enabling two-factor authentication and using strong, unique passwords. Now let's address one of the most important parts, the risks. Like any form of trading, using automated trading bots carries real financial risks. Over here, while demo trading may make it look easy to generate profits, real market trading can behave quite differently. Many users fall into the trap of getting overconfident after seeing success in demo mode and then suffer losses when they switch to live trading. It's crucial to approach real trading cautiously and with proper knowledge. So, in order to use Pocketmatics effectively, you have to follow these steps. First, spend adequate time practicing on the demo account. Then, invest time in learning trading strategies through educational content, courses, and tutorials. After that, once you feel fully prepared, start with smaller live trades and scale up only after you consistently achieve stable results. Now, let's go over the advantages that make Pocketmatics a good choice of trading bot. Over here, we have user-friendly interface suitable for beginners, generous demo account with $50,000 virtual funds, wide range of assets to trade including forks, stocks, and crypto, configurable AI-powered bots with adjustable risk settings, real-time performance tracking for better trade management, responsive customer support within the app. However, like any platform, Pocketmatics also comes with some drawbacks you should consider. Over here, these include a relatively high minimum deposit for some new users. The winning probability is not always accurate. Markets remain unpredictable. Emotional trading discipline is still required even with automation. Lack of extensive educational content built into the platform itself. In conclusion, Pocketmatics offers a solid automated trading solution that combines ease of use with powerful AI tools. Over here, if you are someone who wants to explore automated trading, Pocketmatics can be a good choice, but only if you approach it with proper preparation, education, and a clear risk management strategy. Automated trading can be profitable, but it is not without its risks, and success still depends largely on the trader's discipline and understanding. Alright guys, that's my full review on Pocketmatics trading bot. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.